Thousands of years ago, a vast super lake spilled across the heart of Botswana. Its waters covered an area larger than Switzerland, then vanished, leaving behind the great Makgadikgadi thirstland. Nauru would tread where waves once lapped. Each year, far from human eyes, this remote expanse of salt pans hosts one of Africa's last great spectacles, when thousands of striped nomads wander the barren landscape. There is no permanent water in this desert of salt. It is only by the grace of fleeting seasonal rains that these plains zebras can survive here. Thunder showers are meager and isolated, yet they leave a trail of grassy islands scattered throughout the pans, making home habitable for the moment. Family gather on these islands to feed on the green pastures. A single stallion is the leader of every family unit. Like a devoted husband and father, he shares a protective and long-lasting bond with his harem of mares and their foals. But not all his wives are equal. Zebra mares observe a strict social order, with the most dominant or lead mare always walking in the front. The others fall in line behind her according to their rank. The family stallion keeping a watchful eye on his charges. Right now, many of families are growing in size. After a year's gestation, falling is time to take advantage of wet season's nutrient-rich grazing. Sadly, only half of these foals will survive the year. But for now, released from the confines of the womb, they celebrate their agility. But one foal has no reason to celebrate. Young zebras can typically canter within an hour of birth, but this little one has been born lame. His father walks more slowly, allowing him to keep up. Stallions will take the great risks for the well-being of their own offspring. This young stallion has so far secured on only one mare. The frail little foal is there first. Meanwhile, nearby, new families are being made. Adolescent fillies seduce males with perfume of estrus, while mature harem mares are more discreet, mating exclusively with their family stallions. It's the peak of the breeding season, and fillies that have just come of age are ferocious. They attract the attentions of the rival stallions. Many bachelors compete over the young mares. Opponents wrestle from dawn to dusk. With each passing day, the lame foal bravely battles on. For a zebra, lameness can be a death sentence.